been one of the most focus. Thank you. Yo, why do you keep doing this? Hello, a tan. Excuse my mother. Yelling. She's crazy. Mom! Mom! I'm recording!
How would you like it if I do the things you do? You always put it on me, I always put it on you. I don't think you have a clue on the things that I would do for you.
Hey guys, so today, as you can tell, I'm going to be redoing my room. It's something I wanted to do for like mad long, and I'm finally gonna do it. I still don't even feel like doing it just because I know there's so much to do. Like I've like redid my room, like moved the furniture around, like put up a few new decorations here and there, blah blah blah. But my room still doesn't have like a theme, and I feel like that's a big part of the reason why I never film, because it's like I don't have an area of my room that I feel like looks nice, or like my room is just super cluttered. Like you guys will see, it's just like difficult to fit lights in here, to get like a tripod. Like it's not doable. So I'm gonna try to make it a little bit more doable today. Also, with fall coming in, fall is like my favorite season, so I'm gonna get some fall decorations too. But I'll show you guys my room right now. It's a hot mess. Like it's a hot mess, but it's okay because we're gonna change it. We're gonna change it. All right, so let's see. Okay. So this is my room from my door. So I have my dresser here, all that stuff. This is still stuff from college. I had that on the wall. This kind of like hangs. These are my house slippers that I never put away. Tupperware, because my family loves to steal my Tupperware, so I have to keep it in my room. So yeah, this kind of hung on my wall like this, and I had my graduation cap and my grandma's graduation cap. And it kept falling, so I just ended up leaving it there. I got fed up with it. But yes, so I have my dresser here. That box is my Amazon stuff that I got in. Then across from my dresser is my bed. And my bed is humongous because I had our house before this house, I had like, it was a part of the garage that they made into a room. So it was humongous. So I had like all this space for this huge bed, and now like this bed takes up majority of my room, and this is like my walking space pretty much. This is the clothes from my clothing line that I have. I keep everything in there. I'll probably end up moving this to like the basement, or like putting it in the laundry room or something, just because like it's not feasible. Then I have this vanity over here that I never use. I pretty much use it as a nightstand and to put my snacks, because if I leave my snacks in my household, I will not get them. Everybody else will, so I keep them in my room. If you guys have not tried these cornbread crisp from Trader Joe's, do it. Don't ask me questions, just do it and thank me later. Okay, so that's my vanity. And I don't use it, like I said, and it pretty much just takes up space. So I think we're going to get rid of that today. Where it's going to go, I don't know. But I don't think I want it in my room anymore. Then I have this bench over here that is a blessing and a curse all in one. I'm going to try to find somewhere to put it. We'll see if I can. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but my uncle handmade this for me, so I like don't want to get rid of it. This is where I store all of my makeup. My dresser, I have a bunch of crap that I don't really even need. Like this Fat Tuesday cup could be downstairs. My tequila could be downstairs. My spray bottle for my hair. That's baby Monique. My brother got me this too, so I kind of just keep it there. Okay, so up here I kind of just keep like the things I use for my face. So like this is a dermatologist product I got, my spray that I usually use to set my makeup, toner, moisturizer, spray, little like thing over here to smell good. I have to get another candle to put that on. yeah, just like a bunch of random stuff, and that is a society I'm watching right now on Netflix. So I just have a bunch of things that needs to get put away, thrown in the garbage, pretty much all of that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Wish me luck. I think I'm going to start with, whoa, that's lopsided. All right, so that's what I'm gonna start doing now. I think the first thing, I'm gonna take like all the little things out, like my little box out, my little, what is this thing called? My little plastic bin out. Make some room in the laundry room for my clothes, for my clothing line. If you guys want to see what I have, I will link the website down below. We're gonna move this bench out, take the vanity out. I'll start by moving my bed over here, moving my dresser over here, and then seeing what I have to work with. I think that's what we're gonna do. Sounds like a good game plan. Alright guys, so I put my comforter and my little fall throw blanket on my bed. I'm going to get some burgundy pillowcases for my two main pillows. Probably get like one more decorative pillow to put the orange covering over, because I have one more over there. And then I get one more large pillow and get probably like some cream or tan pillowcases to go over that. Ooh, this lighting is not the best. Alright y'all, so I went to Home Goods. I went to Hobby Lobby and they were all trash. So when all else fails, we go to Target. Lovely Target. You get copyright. They'll never let me down. They'll let my bank account down. This is actual facts. Alright, so let's see what they have. These LED lights. They're like a bright white. Are you gonna focus? So I think that's cool. It's not like too white. They're still kind of like yellowish. Alright, hold this. Alright. Oh, a pumpkin smoothie? That's on sale though. That smells good. Yeah, it does.